Welcome to our explainer video on AI agent orchestration for customer interaction. Are you ready to transform your customer service experience and streamline workflows? Let's dive in. Organizations are often overwhelmed by fragmented communication channels. Customers reach out via email, web chat, voice, and social media, which causes redundant inquiries, manual handoffs, and delays. Our solution? A unified interaction workflow that integrates all channels into a single system. This reduces response times, increases customer satisfaction, and optimizes operational efficiency. Next, we focus on the orchestration layer. It acts as the control center, managing how customer inquiries are processed. Incoming messages are aggregated and normalized. This means streamlining all types of inquiries into a consistent format. AI-driven tools like natural language processing detect customer intents and sentiment. The guiding principle here is to capture context. By preserving customer history and preferences, organizations enhance personalization. Imagine a system that knows not just what customers are asking, but their individual needs based on past interactions. Once we have context, agent selection takes place. The orchestration engine matches inquiries with the right AI agent or human support. Factors like intent confidence and customer profiles steer this routing process. Efficient and accurate, our method ensures customers receive prompt responses tailored to their profiles. Now, let's explore automated responses. Using techniques like natural language generation, our system crafts coherent replies based on intent and customer specifics. It doesn't just reply, it resonates with the customer, maintaining your brand's voice and compliance standards. If a query cannot be resolved, our system escalates the issue, generating a ticket with all relevant information for the support team. We also need to proactively engage customers. Automated outreach can include appointment reminders, renewal notices, or satisfaction surveys. By analyzing customer behaviors and engagement signals, we create targeted campaigns, helping retain customers and boost sales. Lastly, monitoring performance is essential. Integrating analytics allows organizations to track key metrics, helping refine AI models continuously. This means, as your service evolves, it adapts, ensuring high customer satisfaction levels. In conclusion, adopting an AI-driven orchestration workflow infuses efficiency and personalization into customer interactions. Organizations can seamlessly manage inquiries, improve resolution times, and leverage analytics for continuous improvement. Ready to implement these solutions and elevate your customer experience? Visit the Orchestration web store for further resources and guidance. Let's get started on your journey towards seamless customer interaction today.